Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your BNB BEP20 address on Trust Wallets. First of all, you want to go ahead and go on search and write down BNB, and the black one, BNB Smart Chain, is the one you're looking for. So just go ahead and click on it. And after this, as you can see, you can either buy it or receive it. So to find the address, you click receive. And here your address. If you want to go ahead and deposit from Binance, for example, you just click this button, deposit from exchange, and deposit it here to BNB, and deposit BNB. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you found this video useful, and I will see you next time. Bye.